Hey guys, looking for some help here. I've got this Acerbis VSL light for my KTM 300 XC 2016 model. I've watched another YouTube video and I've purchased a rectifier from Baja Designs. Wind up these two connectors so that they would be aligned in there and work properly. I have not done anything to this one. Again, via another YouTuber, I have changed out the plug to a 2-prong, yellow hot, white negative. I made no other adjustments to the other plugs. That was it for this one. I have a 3-wire switch. You can see, push button. The black is positive and the blue is negative, and I think the brown goes with the blue as a negative. I'm not an electrician and I do not know much about this sort of stuff. So what I've done is combined the brown and the blue on one side and the black on the other. And when I plug them in and start the bike and have the light plugged in and everything, nothing works at all. So I would appreciate any feedback anybody has. Looking for some direction. Thank you.